Fear is a liar, right? You're worried about something that hasn't even happened. And 9 times out of 10 doesn't happen. And the fear that you have for switching is the fear of the uncomfortable. And the uncomfortable is what helps you grow. My name's Tiffany Rosenbaum, and I run Rosenbaum Realty Group. We're about 1260 right now. We're a very mixed portfolio. We do single family and multifamily, so we will manage from 1 unit up to 100 units, and that's our niche. As we decided last year that we were really going to start trying to scale and what we really wanted to do, we realized our software was going to have to really be a part of this. And so our biggest thing is, how can we have a software that can really help us develop and grow and be able to implement things when we want to and not be so stringent where it's like, no, you're just stuck with us. The biggest game changer was which software will play nice with our growth strategy and where we want to go. And when something's working, a lot of times you don't want to change it, but realizing if you want to get better, usually you have to change things. My biggest thing was the migration. How do I make sure the team's on board? How do I make sure I keep all the data? How do I make sure it migrates over? Rentvine put a lot of time and effort into my team to make sure they were trained on the processes and everything within Rentvine. And y'all did a phenomenal job. Like, really the easiest thing that I've ever seen and how y'all handled it. We were closing a transaction that was about 300 units at the exact same time we were going live with Rentvine. And I would say they did a phenomenal job on it. AI is not going anywhere. It's not. It's here to stay. It's going to be here. The open API. Like, that's a game changer, and it's really important. So I don't think I'd be willing to give that up. What you're perceiving is a lot less than what will actually help you grow and help you be better. And Rentvine does have an incredible platform to help you do that.